Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add goals in Zoho People. Alright, so first stop, log into your account. Now go to the left panel and just click on Performance. Okay, click on it, and then once done, go to the top and in this tab, just click on Goal. Alright, wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and go to the top right and click on Add Goals. And then here, you just gotta enter the start date, for example, today, November 14th. Okay, time of recording, goal name, sample goal. Okay, due date, maybe at the end of the month, priority, high, highest, high, medium, low, highest, and then your description right here and the progress. Okay, once that's done, just hit on submit. And after that, here you have your goal. You can go ahead and click on map job right here and add in some comments if you want to. Map job, add a job if you want to. Okay. All right. And here you have the estimated hours, unlocked hours. Okay. And that's basically it. That is how you add goals in Zoho People. If you want to add in some more, just click on add goals right here, as many as you want. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.